on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them gang.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, Sithinga-Mqoqi. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much Mdase for coming back. Today is this day, guys, dialect. Today is this day. I am off to a postnet. Sender iparcel kasisi efikile apha kum endlini, and I am taking you guys along with me. I am with my two sisters nizababona along the way. So yeah guys, bendithi mandivulele vlog masambini.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kills over. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leg Now see money remain with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog, Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. Come on, white dog, Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't pass me, last time. Now everybody go try breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
I feel like this is too close. Hey, guys, I'm looking for a top to wear with my skirt tomorrow. Graduation is schooling up in so now I don't have anything to wear, and there's a bunch of things to wear, but okay, let me give it a try, and then if it doesn't fit well tomorrow, I'll send it in Vanessa skirt, then I'll return it. But I think so far so good. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Sunday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna say good morning, good day, good night, because I don't know what time you'll be watching this vlog. But anyway, on my side it is in the morning and the time is 7 a.m. So today is Sunday, guys. Yesterday we went to a graduation up in and then on Friday I went to the mall. Benfuna is in the graduation. Nana. graduation. So yeah guys, I just want us to quickly do this clicks haul detailers nama, and I bought a microwave a clicks. It was 1.7 eco special. This is the babe, if you want. This is the babe. So yeah guys, guys, cutting these out. Oh, then such a guys, I want us to quickly send the clicks for. Let me start with the toiletries. I'm not sure if I open the video. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm really okay, I'm doing, but I just want to quickly show you what I got from kids. So number one, comfort fabric softener. It will be 95 rand for two. Yes, 95 rand for two. And then see what the two. My Cetaphil toner, Cetaphil cleanser. A body wash. As you know guys, and I'm just topping up izinto ezimbalwa ziyaphela ezinye seziphelile. And then this is gonna be my first time using this scrub from Cetaphil, because it was 3 for 2. You pay for 2 and get the third one, the cheapest one, for free. So I think here I paid for this 2 and I got this one for free. Hair removal lotion, serum, Skin Republic serum, a body wash. I am trying out this, and so far is already fakile nebengifuna ukuyitesta because disebenzisa la Dem Opal sunscreen, and guys, every time I sweat guys kakhulu, even if it's not too hot. But Lena Shem is on even petega, so I think this will quick. And then this body moisturizer or body cream, yeah, and I hope izaniphatha kakuhle. So I'm sure nibonile apha kule vlog bana I want to test this at Edgar's, and then as well I'll buy it online because kuyathanda uba khona i-sale online. But okay guys, what happened is that ndithe xa ndiyitshekha online ibingekho le shade yam, because bathi xa ndiyotesta for i-shade kwathiwa kumele ndithathe i-maple. So online ibingekho, and I had to buy it in store. I had to buy it in store, and it was 810 rand. But let's hope I won't regret. Yeah, so the total only has a 8 cash. It's just that I didn't buy a plastic candy, but it totally has a clicks, including this microwave, it be 2,806 rand. So yeah, I think we are done. Now let's come to this babe. Ekudala ndiyifuna. Yeah. Oh, guys, I'm ready. The reason why I bought Ulanduka it's because the one Emushake Davis is selling this, they are going sometimes, and Job essential on my previous vlog. Job essential on my previous vlog that the banana me and I microwave and how many years? 9 years is it together, so I think 9 turning days last year because I'm trying to tell her oak. Tell her isn't it last time? Hello baby. Yo. Because I was trying to tell her oak. Hello mate. Yo. Okay. Let me take it out of camera and then come back and show you. So this is the babe. It's a mirror microwave, but it's cold. Let me check what it looks like. What it looks like is blue, and then we press here for it to open. And then in my kitchen because I wanted to buy the bigger one, but I think I'm not the back of the kitchen and it's not like when I'm doing the science I can hold the food less. Yeah. Well, guess yeah. Begin it. Start the box. Mommy, Sana. Where's Sana? Sorry, guys, I am so happy because I could see guys, don't get me wrong. I don't make going busy, but guys. So oh, another thing, guys. I'm not sure if I'm because babe, you know. So guys, another thing today. ngiyakulanda leya ye-mat or i-rugs. So I wanna plug you guys and show you phayana i-rugs endifike zikhona. So yeah, mandase, bye for now.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's shine. And I see you, and I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I see you, and I see you.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is another day and today is Friday. We are on our way to Riverside to drop abantwana bam kwamakazi wam because sana all roads lead to eGqeberha. Siyafuneka eGqeberha guys. But ke yeah guys, bendithi mandizonibonisa my new hair. Inobe senidikiwe zizakhels ne. I know. Nazi ke guys, inwele zam. This is 12 inches. When it is but yeah guys, ndaya ke beginning on Sunday. I'm not sure if it was Sunday or what, but I went to a China Square to get a mat or a rug, whatever you call it, carpet, londo ibiza yona, and I didn't show you guys, but I think I will show you guys on my next vlog because number one, guys, how do you keep your houses clean? Because now I'm avoiding mana yonke into lapha endlini bayayingcolisa like so, yabo. And plus ke zikhona izinto endizazifuna for my coffee table. I got a tray phofu ndayifumana a while back, and now ndifuna a plant and then a diffuser that I saw Mr. Price Home. So ndifuna ufumana zona and then ndizobeka my coffee table mat yam nezinye izinto. So guys, ayibondilala njani bantaselento. Guys, we are finally monetized. Guys, please watch ads. I'm sure some of you sebebonile that kwi videos zam kukhona i-ads. Yes guys, sine ads ngoku. Xa nizibukeleni guys i-ads, ndiyanicela bantase so that sizomeka i-coins siyazinid at this side. So yeah bantase, ndiyayazi le vlog ilena, but I promise I'll do better. And yeah, we have come to the end of the vlog, Bandase. Thank you so much for tuning in until this far. To my new subscribers, thank you, Bandase. You are welcome. And to my returning subscribers, Abandase. Yeah, masibonaneni guys on my next one. Mwah.